Everyone, this is Kibo Vlogs. If you're new actor based here in Saudi Arabia and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad ko na reaction video ang Barda compilation. So, one second na longer, let's start this reaction video. Ang daming ganap kahapon. Late na din ako nakapaggawa ng reaction video kahapon. So, without further ado, let's start this reaction video. Late na. Late na ako. Kasi kahapon pa lang, umaga pa lang kasi, it's 7:14 in the morning here sa Saudi Arabia. So gumagawa na ako yan. Inuna ko talaga yung Barda para ang energy ko fresh pa for today's video. You know what I mean? Basta ako, proud ako kay Barbie. Akala ko talaga next week pa ito lalabas. Kung naalala ninyo, may vlog ako kahapon. May pasaring na naman ako sa kahapon na masusubukan ang what do you call this, ang katatagan natin. Tama ba yung sabi ko? Basta yung title ko, masusubukan ang katatagan natin next week. Akala ko next week pa ito lalabas for today's video. This week pala. This week naman pala, hindi ko na siya nagawa na yung reaction kahapon kasi umaga pa lang, ginawan ko na siya. Pero alam mo, masaya ang puso ko kasi can you just imagine, ganun siya ka-busy. December pa ang project na to, pero agad book na siya binibining client natin. So saan pa isisingit ang love life sa sobrang busy, Aber? Saan pa isisingit ang love life nila sa sobrang busy? My God!
Everyone really looks forward to our episode, Perfect Christmas. We will go through the lives of the employees, the ones working during the holidays, may tumatango. During the holidays, we have to really push the sales, and so I don't know, maybe the bosses tend to forget that we're humans too, you know, we need to celebrate with our families, and so but then behind all that, my character would kind of find someone unexpected.
Someone's unexpected?
Which is Enchang.
Character niya?
These are
Ano yung character niya?
everyone really looks forward to our episode, Perfect Christmas.
Perfect
We will
Christmas.
go through the lives of the employees, the ones working during the holidays, may tumatango. During
the
the
ones working during
holidays, we have
holidays.
to really push the sales, and so I don't know, maybe the bosses tend to forget that we're humans too, you know, we need to celebrate with our families, and so but then behind all that, my character
I
would
love it. Babae dito si Barbie.
someone
Behind all that, talaga ba,
but very
Bee?
excited to be with, which is Enchang B.
Okay. Beka. Paano yan? May ano na din siya. May bigal na din siya. Wala na. Charis! Grabe, ang ganda niya. Timeless talaga siya. Nakita ko to kagabi kay Miss Tony ba to na post? Okay.
Well, as much as Christmas is very much a family thing, very intimate, very personal.
Very intimate.
It's
Ay,
the holiday that everyone really looks
Si
forward
Enchong.
to.
Very
Our
Frenchy.
episode, Perfect Christmas. We will go through the lives of the employees, the ones
Employees. I
working
love it.
during
Oh
the
my
holidays, may
God.
tumatango. During the holidays, we have to really push the sales, and so
So ano
I don't
siya?
know, maybe the bosses tend to forget that we're humans too, you know, we need to celebrate with our families, and so but then behind all that,
Hala, ang ganda-ganda niya magsalita.
find
Charis!
someone unexpected.
Someone
but
sa
very
expected.
excited.
Ito si Enchong. Baka naman matunaw yan si Barbie sa'yo, ha? Charis.
This is our first time working together,
Well,
actually.
if you grew up in the 2010s,
Okay.
Drop the mic na dun, ha? Guard!
Okay.
Wow!
Guard!
For us, I think Christmas usually is a reminder that it's a season of giving, but also it's a reminder that it's a season of forgiving also. Our episode is rotating around, let's open our hearts.
So each
for
episode,
possibilities
andyan
and
sila
opening our
Catherine
hearts
Biden.
to,
Okay.
You know, making amends to those people that we thought we would have rifts with, but also at the same time, you know, opening our hearts to a possible life together. So yun, that's all I can give. Yeah. And
Walang script.
Ay. Ito
Walang
yung walang
script.
script. Imagine
With this
filming without
film,
script. Grabe ka
I
talaga
get
pag
it
yung
right
Tessa.
on the spot, right before the scene. I try to process
Grabe, no?
everything
Paano
and absorb
yun?
everything
Paano
right
nangyayari
before
yun,
I take the
ma'am?
scene. Feeling
Walang
ko parang
script.
lagi akong sinasabak
Di ko
sa
siya
gera
gets.
ng kagigising
Siguro may
ko lang.
scenario
ganyan.
lang,
Ganun
tapos
ganun
ina-explain sa
feeling
kanila
palagi.
na, oh, ito yung
Honestly,
magiging
lahat
scenario
ng
sa scene na to,
nakatrabaho ko
tapos
dito
sila
sa
na
pelikula
mag-iisip ng
ko,
dialogue
unang
nila.
beses ko pong
Ala, ang
nakatrabaho
galing.
because they are
Ang
all from
talino.
the other network. Ang saya nung buong experience.
Paborito
kasi,
talaga siya ng ABS,
everyone was so
Charis.
grounded and everyone was so true to their characters. So kahit unang beses ko lang po silang makatrabaho lahat, it wasn't so difficult for me to actually connect with them when we do our scenes. I like how they actually treat me like I'm 16.
I'm 16.
Pagkausap nila ako even when the cameras aren't rolling. Kasi kahit paano, at least yung dynamics namin, yung rapport namin, pag nag-eksena kami, hindi siya nawawala kahit off-cam.
Okay. Ganda ni Barbie. Ay, ito, ano to? Ano na naman to? Ano naman tong chika ni Charis? Charis! Ay, saan to? Barchong. Sige na nga. Barchong tayo. Charis! Barchong. Hala, lumipat na si Madam ano sa Barchong. Charis. Metro, ito post ng Metro. Lumipat na si Madam Parda United, hindi siya lumipat. Ano lang yon? Sarcastic?
A perfect Christmas is quality time with my family in the best of health, having the best time, eating the best food.
For our Christmas in our family, it's really spending time together, but at the same time, not because we're with Netflix right now, but honestly, you just turn on your TV, turn on Netflix while you're gathering with your family, and I think that's already a perfect Christmas. It doesn't have to be extravagant.
There's nothing like Christmas in the Philippines. And this is why I think the series is so important, because when Mark told us about it, we were like, you know, it's been a while since we've seen something like this. Like a series that just really focused on a very Filipino Christmas.
As Paskong Pinoy would remind everyone that it's not just about the Christmas decors, the Christmas tree, the gifts, the lights, the food, and everything, but it will remind us about relationships we lost, we have, and will be found.
Paskong Pinoy is how you feel the love of everyone. Because in spite of the 3-hour traffic jams, in spite of having a hard time looking for that perfect Christmas gift, when you see each other after 3 hours in traffic and you're at the party and you meet your friends or your loved ones or your family, everything is gone. Everything is nice and beautiful.
Ay.
Hindi pa bumibitaw kina Barbie at David Licao.
Ay, alam mo, panoorin natin to ha, panoorin natin to. Kasi kahapon, tinag ako nito ni, what do you call this, ni Madam Barda United. This is Kijibo Vlogs. See you on my next vlog. Bye!